everyone, I am Satyapriya from Physics department. Now we are going to discuss about the topic average method. We know about average method. What we determine is experiment. To determine the thickness of the thin wire. What is the lamp? Sodium vapor. What is the wavelength of the sodium vapor lamp? 593 angstroms. Then what is the in this case to determine the thickness of the thin wire? Very minimum, we find out very minimum thickness. What is the formula? E is equal to lambda divided by 2 beta. What is lambda? What is the wavelength? 593. And then what is L? The length between the band and the wire. The length, the distance between the band and the wire. And then what is the principle we are using this experiment? This is sodium vapor lamp. This is the traveling microscope. And then what is the principle using to determine the thickness of thin wire? What is the principle? Interference pattern. Okay. What is interference pattern? What is interference? Interference is nothing but two lights of joining point, that is called as interference pattern. For example, this is the sodium vapor lamp. This is the glass plate. Okay. One end is fixed in hair band and then another one is fixed in hair. Okay. This distance is L. Okay. The rubber band and the hair distance is L. Okay. The base pani idoda thickness we find. Okay. Clear? Interference pattern அப்படிங்கிறது ரெண்டு லைட் வந்து ஒண்ணா மீட் பண்ற place தான் வந்து interference pattern. Okay. This is the glass plate. This angle is 45 degree and then the source is the conducting plate and then this is the glass plate. Glass plate is always in 45 degree angle and then this is the telescope. This is the viewing point. Okay. In this case, the light is passing through the glass plate and then reflected through the in this glass plate. In this two glass plates. Okay. This glass plate always reflecting light or not? Reflecting light. So this is the source light falling on the glass plates. Again, this is the glass plate also reflecting the light. So in this case also, anyone give pen or pen. Okay. This light direction is this direction and then reflecting light also this direction. Okay. In these two lights are meeting at this point. Okay. In this case also glass plate also reflecting light, right? Okay. இதுல இருந்து reflect ஆகி வரும் and then again இந்த light வந்து join ஆகுற placeல நாம இங்க பாக்கும்போது என்ன தெரியும்? நமக்கு interference pattern தெரியும். Interference pattern is nothing but lines. Okay. Already I told as gap is increases, the fringes width of the fringes increases or not? Increases. Okay. Whenever air gap is increases, the width of the fringes also increases. Okay. Air gap is decreases, width of the lines of decreases. This is the very basic concept. Okay. Now focusing the fringes. Okay. Okay. Former fringes. Okay. And then table column first is MSR reading and then VSR and then total reading. What is the MSR? Main scale reading. This is estimate. Main scale is the long side scale is main scale reading. Next one is VSC. VSC is nothing but coincidence. What is the coincidence? Two lines are meeting perfect. Okay, like that. So yeah, two lines are meeting coincidence. Okay, the reading is taking small scale. That is called as VSC. And then how to calculating total reading? Total reading MSR is nothing but main scale reading. And then MSR plus VSC. VSC is nothing but coincidence. VSC into least count. In this case, traveling Vernier microscope least count. What is the value of least count? 0.001 into least count. The least count value is 0.001 and then we find out the total reading value. And then width of the bands. How to calculate width of the bands? In this case, we find out the total reading. Total reading second value is minus to first value. We will get the width of bands and then finally calculating bandwidth. This answer is divided by 5. and then average value take as beta value. Okay, and then next we substituting this. What is the formula? Already I told P is equal to lambda, and then what is the value of lambda? 5893 into 10 to the power of minus 10 into length. What is the length? Already I told 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and then 2 into beta. What is the value of beta? This average value is called as beta. So substituting here beta value into 10 to the power of minus 2, and then finally we calculating band thickness of the wire using average method. Always 10 to the power of minus 6 meter. Okay? Here we have any doubt? Ask me. No. Nothing. Thank you.